lot of people look at me crazy, man. Like, you be at the shop at 4 o'clock. If I can get up for work at 4 o'clock, why won't I get up for myself at 4 o'clock? It's real spill. Beast, we just looking for some oil pressure. Got the fuel pump relay out. Go ahead, crank. You just trying to see oil pressure. Nah, you gotta start it and you'll see it jump up. Now see the distributor jumping up with some spark. Priming. Nothing. 1 second. Give me 1 second. Alright, we got that pressure. Y'all can see. See it going back down. It's getting cranky. Go ahead. Yep, so we ready to crank. About to connect the fuel pump relay back and the coil back and watch her blow. Let me get some of this stuff down because it's gonna be loud, man. It's gonna be loud. It's gonna be loud. Put that coil wire back on and then the fuel pump. Hold on, not yet. You almost ready. 5 prong. All right. Start it. Don't hit the gas. Yeah, all kind of vacuum leaks. I'm finna seal all this stuff up in a second. But yeah, it sounded good, man. And then the O2 sensors ain't in too, so. Yeah. I ain't think it's gonna bog out like that much, but we'll see in a second. Try to do some adjustments real quick. I already know because they ain't got no nothing to read the O2 sensors, so you're gonna have to like put your feet on the gas. So I can hold it. Go ahead. Yeah, it's dumping too much fuel. I can hear it. I can hear it. It missed, so I just stopped. But yeah, so next stop is the lift. Take it over to the J-Rocks and then shoot. Then we go to the exhaust shop. Once we get from the exhaust shop, she will be able to run. But I might have to just put the down tools, the down pipes on. I'm over there. They right here. Might just have to put the down pipes on and get the O2s in. Oh, these ain't even got a hole in it. We'll drill a hole and put a bong in it. Just put the O2s in. The downstream O2 not gonna be able to get connected, but the upstream it'll be able to get fuel. The way the headers is, I can't get it on that side without like doing some banging or something. Can't modify the O2, so you have to modify the headers. So I think if I get those on, stay running. Cause yeah, it's dumping too much fuel. Reading how to. Yeah, man, sound good. Yeah, I started doing the big 3. I'm gonna go ahead and put 0 here, and we got a dual input that's going here. So this small one coming off is gonna be one that go right here, and then a dual outlet. 0 going here for the ground here. The external regulator, I'm gonna run 10 gauge. I'm not sure if it has to be switched or not. If so, I'm just gonna have to use a relay. But I'm running 10 gauge, power and ground. I'm gonna put it inside. If it need to be 12 volt switch, then I'm gonna have a relay coming from the ignition over to the regulator. And it's kind of hard to explain, but it's real simple to do. Same way alarms and stuff work, but yeah, so this is gonna be 2 wires, ground going to the frame, another ground from the frame to the battery. Those 2 power wires coming from here, boom. Fuse holder, wires running all the way to the back. Grommets on the way, screw running all the way back. Then from there, y'all gonna see the big boy, Limitless. That it's going 2 powers, y'all see. Probably try to keep them tight together. 2 negatives from the frame. Dang, 2 more grommets. I gotta call let them know. Need 2 more grommets for the negatives. It's a charger for it. I'm still kind of thinking like what I'm gonna do as far as amp rack style. I don't know if I want to put everything inside cardboard or try to get some plexiglass, some more plexiglass. I got some. But I don't know. I'm trying to think of something cool as far as audio. Running the wiring for the audio is real simple, real fast. But trying to make it look nice and neat, that's the not so fast part. Because we got so much that got to go in here. We got, where is it? Literally all this stuff. In this too. And it's door speakers coming, all kind of stuff. I'll probably find a snap and put it in there for y'all. But I'm still tired from yesterday, being up, all that work, moving trucks that broke down, blah blah blah. But the thing bubbled up a little bit. We'll get that fresh fluid flushed. But yeah, since I can't keep it running, I'm gonna drill a hole in these, put an O2 bong in it, and then put the O2s in it, just connect it just so it can run. Cause yeah, it's dumping too much fuel. Ain't no way that I can make it like another week and some change to the exhaust shop with it messing the oil up or throwing the whole factory tune out, cause steady trying to adjust to put more or less fuel in, blah blah blah. So definitely gonna have to get the O2s in just to get to the lift and the exhaust shop. But yeah, so tomorrow main focus probably gonna be just to get it running stable. Once I get running stable, we taking it over to JRC, start on the lift. But yeah, it is running. But yeah, while we doing lifts, still gonna be working on everything else, like trying to do a bunch of everything at once. Cause if you focus on one thing, it get real tiring real fast. But if you're doing like a little bit of everything, you'll be able to get. Well, that's just me. But on the same car. If you jumping from car to car to car to car, then that's another story. But anyway, too much talking. Y'all see, man, it's a lot of little progress going. Gonna put the new hood on in a second. Might just do that tonight. Smack that boy on there. But yeah, it's coming along, man. Coming along. Hood on. Like I said, this ain't no fiberglass. This is a all metal cow hood. On there, looking nice. Nice, we're getting it one step at a time, man. That's to like 10-15 minutes, maybe less. Old hood up there. It's going in this box. Going to storage. Yeah, man, we're getting there. We getting there. Almost time to work on my stuff, but we getting there. So tomorrow, like I said, we just gonna try to get it running completely. Possibly start the radio. And then I don't take the lift, but yeah, that's it.